gotta do some magic.
You?
Magic, Charles. It says talent show.
Stop. Zach, stop. You're gonna get in trouble.
Zach.
It's not funny. It's not funny, okay?
Even the babies are one of the most dangerous animals in the world, so I built this cage to keep them secure so there's no possible... Oh my God.
Wilson, where are you? Oh my God.
Netflix and Pop-Tarts. Netflix and Pop-Tarts. Yeah, Netflix and Pop-Tarts.
What I want.
Any questions?
Yes. Are you going to finish that croissant?
Knock yourself out. Let me assure you that...
On the roof!
Hi, welcome to Chile.
Yeah!
Bring the beat in.
Anything for you, Beyonce?
Oh no! And I realized I've left the wontons in.
Listen! You should.
Jello, mole, hello.
How do you keep your pants up when you're performing? It's incredible. Belt.
Here at Joe's Tejas. Y'all know what you want to eat yet? How about some Vegeta Blake quesadillas? Anybody want some chicken fajitas? How about that filet mignon? Prono-oozing things incorrectly. Take one dude. Booty Quay. Fice-a-cow the rapey. Pinocchio. I don't even know how to say that normally. Prono-oozing things incorrectly. Cavassier Pharmaquai. Cam, P-Bells. Penut Mama Nums. Monkey Necks. Beaver Age. Ruchets and Combis. Rosasa Papa. Prono-oozing things incorrectly. Poupeyes. Nut Ilie. Parmesan Chessy. Escape. Hello. It's...
I think I know more about American Girl than you do.
You never
genius.
listen to any American girl.
This for the A. Shawty, I know. Why?
You guys say Colorado.
Hey, I want to be famous.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Bop it. Twist it. Pull it.
Excuse me, sir. Has there ever been a robbery at this establishment?
Not that I know of. I don't know.
The prophecy is true.
I'm John Cena!
Hello. It's me.
Let's take a picture.
That's not a picture.
Tell your mother, kiss one another, die for each other.
Man down.
Well, hello, Mr. Kitty. Can I pet the Kitty? Where's you going? Kitty, come back here, Mr. Kitty. Kitty, where you going, Mr.
Starbucks.
It's amazing.
I love caffeine.
I'm a house.
I'm one of those. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana next to a banana. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's watermelon inside a watermelon.
Sometimes the world looks perfect. Nothing to read.
Hey, that's Honey! Phil's on TV!
Honey, you've got a big storm coming.
What will you learn? That your actions have consequences!
What are those?
They are my Crocs.
Hey, what y'all get for number 12?
I got 18.
I got 9.5.
I got Abraham Lincoln for some reason. I don't.
Well, welcome to the hood.
Happy birthday, Raven! Okay, soon.
Wake me up inside. I can't wake up, wake me up and save me.
I spilled lipstick in your Valentino bag.
Oh, you spilled lipstick in my Valentino white bag.
Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
That was majestic.
I'm taking a nap!
You want to take a nap?
I'm taking a nap here.
Okay, take a nap right there then.
Good night.
You're a wizard, Harry.
I'm a what?
A wizard.
Da 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 da.
Really can't stay, baby, it's cold outside. I've got to go away, baby, it's cold.
Someone in the audience? My buddy Brandon. Hi, bud. How are you? There he is.
How do you know what's good for me? That's my opinion!
LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James.
Oh, sorry, I fell asleep while I was waiting on you to make me a sandwich.
Go back to sleep and starve.
I do that.
I'm just cooking pizza.
If your name is Junior and you're really handsome, come on, raise your hand.
Skin. I nurture my skin. Shh. No, tell her.
Screamer!
You just drop in and just smack the lip. Whoop-ah! Drop down, snap. Ah!
Ooh, this is my jam. This is my. Turn that song off. This is my jam.
Hi, I'm Renata Bliss, and I'm your freestyle dance teacher.
Why? 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 Why?
Hi.
You, Gavin. I love you.
Stop! I could have dropped my croissant!
Why'd you pay for that taco?
Hey, yo, you know this, boy. He's got his free taco.
I am old.
How old are you?
16. I'm my grandmother.
No off-topic questions. Because I don't want to. No, no, permission denied. That's an off-topic question. Next, you have been stopped.
Listen, Trish, I already told you I can't make it. I got soccer practice at 4 and then I got pick room at 7. Oh, Mason, I swear to God.
Who am I? Let's go to the beach. Beach. Nicki Minaj.
Who's the hottest Uber driver you've ever had?
I never went to Uber driver.
Did you do your homework? Did you do your homework?
Watch your mouth!
Did you do your homework?
chicken.
People say I can't do what I love without college.
I don't need a degree to be a clothing hanger.
If there was a child right in front of you.
If I had a penny for every time I wasn't cool, I'd have no pennies.
The dishes?
I thought you wanted to do that.
You were wrong.
Kylie Jenner to the foyer. I have a little surprise for you.
Is that a chicken?
My friends and I love this dance called the Nene, and so whenever we hit it, it gets pretty crazy.
I want to see my little boy.
Here he comes.
I want to see my little boy.
Are you afraid of love?
Love!
Oh!
Yeah, is anyone else kind of hot? It's definitely a little toasty in here. This might be a good time to open up some windows.
You should start running.
For president, because I'd support you no matter what. Lincoln.
I'm going out. With who? My disciples? Do I know these disciples? Shut up, Mom. Just be home before Last Supper. Okay, what should the caption be? Sometimes the best caption is no caption at all. But like, put that as the caption. Genius.
How much money would you give me to fall asleep right now? I don't know, like $1 billion?
I woke up the next morning a billionaire.
Hey Mom, hey Dad, want to see me do some ventriloquism? Yeah, sure, why not? Alright then, here we go.
Marlene, your speech was so good. Oh, wait, like, I didn't even try. It was just improv and.
Oh my god, why can't you just take the freaking compliment?
Stopper gives you all your daily nutrients, like 0 grams of trans fat, and oh my god, cholesterol.
Hey mailman, what do you got? Just this letter!
Jonathan, I don't love you anymore.
Brandon, ask me what kind of tree I have.
No.
Brandon, ask me what kind of tree I have.
No.
Just, Brandon, ask me what kind of tree. It's a Chris Pine.
Roses are red, violets are blue. Why'd you leave me, Karen? What did I do?
We actually have the chip reader now.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, it's not gonna work with that kind of transaction completed.